Good evening, good afternoon, dear traders. Welcome back to another weekly outlook on my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 and anticipate how the next weekly range will likely unfold. If you like these types of videos, please leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for the recent support on my channel. Now let's dive straight into the monthly analysis. On the monthly chart, we're still reacting from the bullish fair value gap plus the bullish monthly order block, and we want to see a run above this buy side liquidity. Quick and short, this was the monthly time frame. We want to see a run above buy side liquidity, and now let's dive straight into the weekly time frame. On the weekly chart, you can see we outlined this weekly bullish order block last week in the weekly forecast, and we wanted to see price retrace into this bullish order block and then show a bullish move higher. We did this week and showed a small bullish move. You can see this is a consolidation candle, and this describes pretty good and pretty much the whole daily chart and how it will look like. And you can see we want to see a run above this buy side liquidity going into next week. On the daily time frame, you can see the weekly bullish order block and the volume imbalance. Everything was outlined last week in the weekly outlook, and we saw a bullish reaction as anticipated from here. And we want to see Monday trade higher and take out this buy side liquidity. Not on Monday, but we want to see Monday show us a bullish daily candle. And then we want to see this buy side liquidity getting run out. And we want to see a fill of this fair value gap. Of course, you could also build a bearish narrative for the daily time frame and the weekly time frame. If we go back, we could say we're rejecting from the mean threshold of the bearish weekly order block, and we could trade lower from here. Also, you could say that we're rejecting the fair value gap plus the volume imbalance, which I outlined here for you. And then we are showing bearish price action from here, but I'm still bullish until we take out this low, because this just makes more sense. I want to see one more run above this buy side liquidity. Now let's take a look at the economic calendar for the upcoming week. Looking at the economic calendar on Monday, you can see we have no high impact or medium impact news release coming out. Tuesday, I would wait for 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. 10 a.m. would be more aggressive because you could see one more manipulation at 11 a.m. And Wednesday, this is the most interesting day. This is the only day which has high impact news. 8:30 we have some medium impact news coming out. And 9:45 we have flash service PMI numbers coming out. And 15 minutes after that, we have another medium impact news release. So on Wednesday, I would wait for 10 a.m. and then look for a ICT 22 mentorship YouTube model. And after that in the evening, we have FOMC meeting minutes. I would look on Wednesday for a quick in and out because price could consolidate before the FOMC meeting minutes. On Thursday, we have a bank holiday in the US, so I would look for another quick in and out right there because price could consolidate. And Friday, we have also no high impact or medium impact news release, so I would just wait for New York Stock Exchange open, so 9:30. The only weekly range profile which makes sense in my analysis is the consolidation midweek rally. The profile is bullish and consolidates Monday through Wednesday, then runs the intra-week highs and expands higher into Friday. You can see Wednesday forms a low and then trades higher. And on Wednesday, the Wednesday is the only day which has high impact news, so we could see a run higher or the low form on Wednesday and then see bullish price action from there. How to anticipate this profile? When the market is bullish and has yet to return to the premium array on the higher time frames. So let's take a look. It has still to fill in this fair value gap and take out this buy side liquidity, and also this buy side liquidity, of course. and it has recently rallied from a discount array and simply paused without any bearish reversal price action. So we rallied into a discount array, the weekly bullish order block plus the volume imbalance as outlined last week, and it simply paused. You can see all these small little candles, this manipulation candle and also this manipulation right here, going under these lows, trading into the bullish order block right here, and now price simply paused right here. So we want to see a continuation higher. This indicates that price is about to expand higher for the premium array. Now we have a bias which is bullish and also a broad understanding of how the next weekly range will likely unfold. We only looked at the higher timeframes because I post my lower timeframe ideas and thoughts in my Telegram channel, which is linked in the description below this video. Guys, this was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions to my analysis, write them in the comments below. I will respond as quickly as possible. Guys, have a great week. Stay safe. Trade safe.